A day has been globally assigned for washing our hands. So we can very well understand how important this one task is in our daily routine. It only takes as long to wash your hands well as it takes twice to sing happy birthday. This statement is making rounds very much these days as COVID 19 has stealthily but firmly entered in our lives. We all engross ourselves in our daily commitments like household chores or office work so much that quite often the most important series of practices are either rushed through or ignored. Amongst these practices, self hygiene is of paramount importance. According to World Health Organization, hygiene refers to the conditions and practices that help to maintain health and prevent diseases. What do these practices include? It includes personal habit choices as how frequently to take a shower, wash hands, brush teeth, trim nails, and wash clothes. Washing hands in particular has gained a lot of importance lately in the wake of current pandemic situation. So today on the occasion of Global Hand Washing Day, we would be discussing on the importance of washing hands and its role in preserving self hygiene. Washing hands at critical points during the day and washing with soap are both important. See what Mr. Wellaby says. He says, be well, be clean, wash your hands. This helps to prevent infection because very often people frequently touch their eyes, nose, and mouth without even realizing, giving easy entry to germs into the body, resulting in various ailments. Germs from unwashed hands get into food and drinks while people consume or prepare them and make them sick. Germs from unwashed hands can be transferred to other objects such as tabletops, toys, lift buttons, etc., which can make a person who uses them sick. Teaching people and spreading awareness about hand washing helps communities stay healthy. Hand washing education to the community helps to reduce the number of people who get sick with diarrhea by 23 to 40%, reducing respiratory illness in general population by 16 to 21%, reduces gastrointestinal illness in school children by 29 to 57%. And of course, in the period of COVID 19, it has become mandatory for everyone to wash hands frequently with soap and in the right manner. Therefore, let us all pledge today that we, being educated mass, would not only practice regular hand wash but would also spread awareness to our fellow people who are ignorant to its importance. Now, let us watch this video on personal hygiene in a short animated way.
Learn with Annie and Ben!
Woof, woof.
Hey kids, did you know there's a new virus that originated in China and is now affecting people all over the world? It makes people unwell, and it's not so good. But don't you worry, we all can protect ourselves against it. It's simple. Follow these easy steps to maintain proper hygiene and keep your body healthy, fit, and fine. 1. If you see anyone with a cough, cold, or fever, Don't get too close to them and suggest they visit a doctor immediately because that's what good friends do. 2. When you come home from school or from playing in the park, always wash your hands with warm water and soap. Clean hands are healthy hands. 3. Wash all your fruits and vegetables properly. Clean food is good food. 4. Whenever you go out, wear a mask and ask all your friends to wear one too, as we must not allow naughty germs to spread. 5. As we know, it is good manners to cover your mouth while sneezing or coughing with a paper napkin and saying, "Excuse me." Don't forget to throw the napkin away immediately after use. 6. It is best to stay at home and avoid those sneaky little germs. So play as many fun indoor games as you like. Read a book or draw and paint, and you may just discover something you're really good at. Yay! And kids, while we follow these steps, don't forget we have to make our bodies stronger too. And how are we gonna do that? By eating healthy food like vegetables and fruits, exercising regularly, and also going to bed on time. We are now ready to fight all those naughty germs and viruses around us. So take care of yourself, your family, and your friends, and we'll all be healthy, fit, and away from diseases.
Yay!
Have a great day!